Hey everybody, so this is my Easter pocket letter. I use my die cuts and to do the front, my little rabbits. Yep, so I got sparkle paper in there. And this is actually my scrap paper to make all these strips. So yeah, I didn't waste any paper. Found this cool ribbon, and these are split pins. So that is the front. And I will show you the back. Found these cool mazes and more stickers. And that's a notepad. Butterfly stickers. Another maze, more stickers. These are erasers. That is tea. That more stickers. I found these cool bird clips. And these are pins. 2 pins and more stickers. So that's the back. Also, I'm going to clear these 2 pencils. I got this cool sticker book. Sparkle stickers, so it's tons more Easter stickers. Found this at Walmart. So there's pages and pages and more Easter stickers. Also, I found these cool window clings. Found these at Walmart. And then I got a bunch of activity pages. So I got like a word search. And then some coloring pages. So I got these cool bunnies. And yeah. So other projects they can work on. So yeah, so that is my Easter pocket letter. So I got coloring pages, activity page, pencils, erasers, window stickers, more stickers, and yeah. So this is just one of my Easter pocket letters. I have to make another one, but yeah. So this is Easter pocket letter number 1. Later.